Um, well, there's a special leaf we used to talk about called Africa basil. That's in Ghana we call it in our Kan language or the tree language nunuum. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Yeah. So this leaf has many physical benefits and the spiritual benefits. But today I'm teaching both the spiritual and the physical benefits. First, I'll teach the physical benefit of this leaf. That is, as you can see it here in my garden. Um, if you rub it between your fingers, good aroma. That is the sweet. That is the basil, the African basil, the sweet basil. We have it here, plenty in my garden, other areas. Okay. So if you go to the physical benefit of this plant, you can cook this plant. You take some leaves, you get some leaves, you wash them, you wash the leaves in water, then put it in your cooking pot. When you cook it, you put it in your cooking pot, you just add amount of water, you cook it for about 30 minutes, you then drain the water. After draining the water, you can put it in your refrigerator or you can let it cool down. After cooling down, you can take it to cure your stomach ulcer. If there is any problem in your stomach, you can cure stomach ulcer, typhoid fever in your stomach. It will give you a quick relief. Yes, take it for 3 days and you can see that there will be a change. This same African basil is used to boost your energy level in the morning. In the morning, when you take these leaves, when you're going to work, you take about a cup of this leaf tea. When you make your tea of this leaf, you can feel that you have amount of energy in you. Yeah, that is how this African basil works. That is the physical aspect. And again, you can use this as a remedy of someone suffering from the ear. When there's an ear problem, the ear ache, you just rub the leaves in your palm. You rub the leaves and add some amount of water to it, and then put it on a spoon. After putting it on the spoon, you can drop it in your ear to cure your ear source or ear problem. Okay, again, someone suffering from malaria, this plant can also help you relieve from malaria. Suffering from malaria, vomiting, weak, just get this leaf. Take about 30 of the leaves, wash it, put it in the blender, blend it, then filter it. Drink morning, afternoon, and evening, and the malaria will start to vanish. Take it for 3 days and will thank me later. Again, there are some people who are suffering from that is bloating. They take food in the night and the morning, you see they can't do anything. You see their stomach will become something big and they can't do anything in the morning. The best remedy and the home remedy is to get this leaf. Get this leaf, add it to after cooking it, drain the water, add 1 lemon to the glass of a drink you are about to take, then take it in the morning, take it in the evening. You see that anything that is disturbing your stomach, worms that are making you feel bloat in the morning, like air in your stomach and all those stuff, will vanish. You will thank me later. There are a lot of benefits this tree comes with. I'll teach them as you continue to do a lot of things on this channel. There are also other benefits that this tree gives spiritually. Yes. So let's take 7 of this leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when I take 7 of this leaf, 7, I can put this under my pillow to avoid bad dreams. To avoid bad dreams. Put this under your pillow to avoid bad dreams. Pray and put it under your pillow, avoid bad dreams. Some people sleeps in the night and a spirit will come and have sex with them. Put this in your pants, sleep, nothing will happen. Do it for a week, it will vanish. And again, you can use this leaf to attract money. You put this in your wallet or your purse wherever you are traveling. I have a lot of them in my wallet. When you are traveling, when you are marketing, you are going to work, you put this in your wallet to attract money. Those who are selling, those who are doing business, you put it in your wallet to attract money. And again, you can use this same leaf if there's any witchcrafty going on in your lives, any misfortune, anything that you don't understand. You just pray on these leaves, put it under your pillow, tell God to reveal things that is going wrong in your life, things that are chasing your life to you. You see that you have a sweet dreams of what is worrying your life. This is a magical leaf that does a lot of things, but people don't know. I just want you to subscribe to this channel. There are a lot of things that comes with leaves. I'll be teaching leaves, plants back, home remedies for things, some illness and other stuff. You'll get to know more. So this leaf has a lot of spiritual use. Another one is when there is a problem in the family where people are dying young, people are dying, there's a curse on the family and they are dying young. You just get this leaf. Just take this leaf, take it like this, plug it like this, put it in your room. Yes, at the corner of your rooms. Like put it at the corners of your room. Yes, let them be there and dry. You change them every month. When you put it there, you change it every month. You change it every month. You see that spirit that is causing death, that spirit that is causing misunderstanding in the family, that spirit that is driving your money, that spirit that is having sex with you at night, it will vanish. And again, this same plant has a special benefit that is spiritually favor. That is favor. So let this be in your pocket, fold it, put it in your pocket. Or another way of doing it is to get the seeds, rub it in your palm. The scent, just rub it on you like that. You are done. Go to your work, go to wherever you are going. You see, it will attract a lot of favor. Where there is no way, can open ways for you, open doors. You can the same way add this to your bath. When you are going to bath, you just squeeze these 7 leaves in between your hands or your palm. You squeeze this. After squeezing it, you see there will be some amount of liquid coming out. You see, some amount of liquid coming out. So when the liquid comes, you drop them 7 times in your water and then take a bath, or you can pray on the water, take a bath to eliminate misfortunes, to eliminate bad lucks. Yes. I wish you subscribe to this channel. There are a lot of things I'm going to teach that will benefit you from plant leaves. You don't have to go and buy anything that is above your expenditure to heal your illness and other things. Go and buy big oils, spiritual oils and other things. These are all things that are used for all those spiritual oils. So the natural state even works better than the processed one, or the one which has been processed. So let's subscribe to this channel, watch more movie videos on these stuffs, and you'll be fine.